Hi there, welcome to WEMIX Wyckoff Check. As usual, we cover these three key items during the session. Looking at WEMIX, it doesn't look like the other gaming or meme coins because quite a number of them has showed various positivity, while WEMIX is still showing a red candle. However, if we look closer, it's probably getting very close to the point where this test may be over. Alright, there can be many tests during the accumulation cycle, just that this test, if we look at the candlesticks, we see long wicks from the orange key level of 36 cents 30. Alright, even though this week's candle closed very close to the orange key level, there's still a little bit of wick from below. So the bulls are definitely trying to keep the price above the orange key level. And if we look at the volume, it's been declining for 5 consecutive weeks. So this may be the point where the paper hands are mostly gone, and it's just a matter of time when the whales started to push the price up. When I say they push the price up, don't get me wrong, it doesn't mean they are going to push it all the way to the new distribution peak. Sometimes they just want to push it close enough to the previous automatic rally or sign of strength level, meaning somewhere about the purple key level of 1.19, and then they're going to come back to check out the small fishes again. Alright, it just depends on what they like to do. When we go to the daily chart, previously we talked about that there are potential trend change confirmation dates, that comes in various time or dates within the first quarter. Just that the price currently is still trading within the weaker half of the downward channel. Alright, so this is the weaker half, this is the stronger half. And for these trend change to happen, any one of these, the price has to start trading towards the stronger side of the downtrend. And then eventually, when sufficient capital comes in, I guess the 6th of Jan would be a very stretched target for now. More reasonable would be the time when we get closer to 24th of January or even somewhere near the Valentine's Day, and the price eventually break outside of this downtrend. So those I would see more reasonable. Alright, so having a look at the big picture as well as a more detailed view of WEMIX, if you want to get access earlier, 2 days earlier than the rest, feel free to join the channel membership. And for now, thank you and see you in other sessions.